fluffy, right? Check if it's cooked. It's too hot, isn't it? It's good? We're good? She's looking for food.
Where?
Is it? Good morning, everyone. I made pancakes. I'm just gonna try it since I made it for boy. Hot. These are really thick. I think I might use a different recipe next time. Hey boy!
Yeah.
Pancakes!
Oh wait, did you already want to Kroger?
No! Thanks. You're just gonna have...
Oh, yeah.
Boy, no, take the plate.
Hot.
Hi everyone. I've been craving tteokbokki, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it right now. That much. Is that enough? Whoa. Whoa, that was a lot. What happened to these? It's like peeling. No. There. Look at this haul. Kit Kat, Abigail, she saw it. This is only 39 cents, so we got a lot. If you guys couldn't tell, Kit Kat's my favorite. Look how many. I'm so happy. Oh, anyway, the tteokbokki's done. Let's go check it. We also got some mozzarella cheese because we were out. Oh my gosh. I think the kara tok, I think it's old because everything is splitting. Why does it look like that? It's in the freezer, so I mean, it's probably like not taste-wise, but like look-wise. Let's finish it off. What is all looking at? Whoa, so good. My mouth is watering. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, I made this kind of spicy. I've been craving these chocolate mochi ice creams. It was only after like the 5th one where I couldn't eat anymore because it started to hurt. Beautiful. You're beautiful. Hold on, I have to do it like, wait, how I used to do it. First, you break it apart. You have to eat the sides. I haven't done this in a long time. So like this, you're left with the wafer, and then you take it apart. How do I don't remember how I used to do it. Hello? I'm gonna make dinner right now. So I'm gonna make udon and then like a tempura type of fried shrimp. I think this is a lot of water. Tastes good so far.
Oh, is it done?
Yeah, it's done. Who didn't tell me? I don't know, I just forgot.
Yeah.
Ah! In those restaurants where they make tempura, they're like, you do that, but that's so scary. Oh, yeah. I have to be you. So good. My camera died. Let me show you. Dinner. Let me get one. Whoa! Yeah! Ooh. Really? Yeah. I got chocolate ice cream. Eating a lot of sweets today. Hi everyone, I hope you liked that video. If you liked that video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye!